Yes, this is the big bad chef out of Jamaica. This is the Brother Pinnock Kitchen. Welcome to the Brother Pinnock Kitchen. And we have the real Jamaican stew peas on our menu. The real Jamaica stew peas with pig's tail and chicken foot with some white rice and some spinach dumpling. And I know everybody gonna love this. You're gonna love this. Here we take you from the start now. This is the peas, so you got to get the peas pressure a little first. So we put the peas in the pressure cooker and we close it. Then we move over here, the pig's tail. We have to get a little of the salt. We have to get most of the salt out of the pig's tail because the pig's tail is a little bit salty. So we got to get the salt out, most of the salt, and then we're gonna take it from there. Then we're gonna get all our season together. So this is where we start. We're starting it from scratch. Okay, so while the peas and the pig's tail is on the fire, I get my season, my onion, my scallion, my garlic, my hot pepper, my ginger, my thyme, everything. So I get that prepared. Chicken foot, you know, you have to cut off the clip of the chicken foot. I have my coconut cream. I have my spinach. So we're gonna get this started. Meanwhile, the pig's tail and the peas is on the fire because we wanna have a nice meal on today. I know when my wife come in, she's gonna love this. Okay, this is the final touch now. We are making the little spinach now. The little spinach with dumpling, with flour. Now some little spinach to put into the stew peas with the pig's tail. The white rice is already cooked. And this is the final touch. Remember, we tell you, we take it from scratch. Stew peas with pig's tail, with chicken foot, and white rice. Everything now is simmering down. We're putting in now the little spinach dumpling. And I know that everybody needs some of this. This is delicious. I know my wife gonna love this. Just imagine your wife coming home from work and to know that the husband home cooking stew peas on a Friday, stew peas with pig's tail and some white rice. Here it is, the finishing touch is right here, the finishing touch. Everything, the season, everything is in now. Stirring it up. Yes, this is the final stage now. The color is good. This is the stew peas now that I take from scratch. The big bad chef out of Jamaica. And everything is on point now. Color look nice. Stew peas with pig's tail and chicken foot with a little spinach dumpling in. It's bubbling down now. Soon be ready to be eaten. And I want to offer a taste to each and everyone who needs some. I know even my wife, she will love this. She gonna love this. Not too salty. Everything is just nice. Everything is nice. Ready to be eaten. The color looking nice. And I'm stirring it up now to simmer it down, and in a few more minutes it is ready to be eaten. And I know everyone, I'm offering a taste to each and every one out there. Please call in for a taste. Yes, no, this is it now. It is meal time. It is meal time. Taking it from scratch, the big bad chef now. And here it is now. The meal is prepared. I'm about to eat my portion now. This is the stew peas with the pig's tail and the chicken foot with the white rice. And I'm telling you, anybody needs some. I just want to offer some to anybody needs some. I know my wife gonna love this. This is a wonderful dish which every island people like. Stew peas with pig's tail and chicken foot with white rice. I'm telling you, man, with some nice lemonade drinks to go along with it, and some salad. This is so delicious. This is it. This is it. Yes, this is it now. It is ready to be eaten. This is the big bad chef out of Jamaica. The stew peas with the pig's tail, with the chicken foot, with some spinach dumpling, with some white rice. And I know my wife gonna love this. And I know each and every one out there, if you ask me for some, then I'll offer you, because this is so delicious. And I want everybody who want to taste it to text me in the commentary box. Very delicious. This is one of the most delicious meal in our island, and the ackee and saltfish and the stew peas with the pig steel and the chicken foot. So this is where it is now, from scratch. The big bad chef at it again. The big bad chef in the kitchen, cooking up a storm. And I know my wife, when she get in from work, she gonna love this, she gonna love it, she gonna love it.